Hey friends, this is Atif Hope your Val and welcome to the new update on Avalanche. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Avalanche recently broke down the support of a falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this was the falling wedge pattern, by the way. Right now, we are watching on the 7-day time frame chart, and here you can see that after the breakdown from this wedge, the price and also broke down this very long-term down trendline support and this up trendline support as well. And now you can see that the pricing is once again trying to break out this downtrend line resistance that was previously breaking as support. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we broke out this downtrend line resistance, and now the price and after the breakout is again testing this previous resistance as support. However, there's a quite long-term support and resistance level. Therefore, I was telling you that we can wait for the price and to close above this support on the 7-day time frame chart. Once we will have a closing above this resistance on the 7-day time frame chart, then there will be a probability that we may see another recovery move, and the price line may also try to break out this uptrend line resistance as well, and this very long-term resistance of $31. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern and a very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for PYR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 25th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And now we have broken down the support of the wedge, despite this a bullish past pattern. But this time we have broken down the support. And the technical target for the breakdown was here, approximately at $21.12. And you can see that the price end has almost hit that target because it was dropped up to $21.20. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for a few days, we also broke down this very long-term downtrend line support as well. And now we are again moved above this support. However, on the 7 days time frame chart, the price and is after breaking down this support of this downtrend line support, it is once again trying to break out. This is the second week that it is trying to break out. Previously, we were rejected here in the previous week, and now recently it is again trying to break out this downtrend line resistance, and it depends where the candlestick will be closed. If we will have a closing on the 7 days time frame chart above this resistance, then it can be again flipped into a support. By the way, this is a very long-term support that was previously working as a resistance here, and resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And now if we will break it out, then again, it can work as a very, very strong and long-term support for the price. And because the previous resistance can be flipped into a nice support after the breakout, but recently it could not break as a nice support because recently we have broken it down. But it seems to be a fake out because the price and the way the price and is recovering back, I'm expecting that soon we will again break it out. And after that, it can try to break out this uptrend line resistance that has been also working as a very long-term support since after the month of September 2023. Now it can work as a strong resistance, along with this resistance of $31 as well. That is another very long-term resistance. This $31 has been previously working as a support here, resistance here, and for a few weeks, it had been working as support here, resistance here, and this time again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Avalanche. Now, if we take a look at the targets, because we have broken out this big and huge falling wedge pattern, and after that, we also broke out this wedge as well. And the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $65. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.